Just don't hit my gas tank.
Yeah. Just turn it up like 10. Turn it up.
Makes me point. Was I supposed to be turning this to the left or the right?
Where is that coming out of like a bed or something? Damn, that's a thick ass.
There you go.
Working.
Ow!
You want me to unplug this?
I was promised
Dagger.
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 Nick.
Dagger. I'm taking this off.
Dagger. Dagger.
Dagger.
Dagger.
Packer with the tiny packer. I'm trying to get to my seat, man.
You got any spray paint left? What colors you got?
What kinds? What do you want? Hey, Nick.
I don't know.
Yellow. That's not exhaust paint. Just
It's okay. I don't care. I'm a big kid. I can do what I want.
Alright. Have fun.
There you go.
God, dude, you do not love your Jeep. Hey, it's your Jeep, man. Do what you want. I don't care. I don't know why I'm supporting bad habits, man. That's my yellow paint, man.
Sucks to suck, bitch.
I like to hear. Am I here? Don't you know anything that stays in my garage is mine? Please stop.
I got the dirt too.
Hey, move my truck, Nicholas.
It's not getting on. Oh, you're on the tire.
Is that what I said? Yes or no?
Okay.
I'm aware of what I'm doing.
Stop spraying until he moves my truck.
It's not gonna hit your truck, Mom. You're not my mom. Let me finish this tire real quick.
The tire?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Stop.
You think this is bad? Could you imagine me with alcohol? I do dumb shit. You're running out of yellow spray paint. Buy more.